Hey everybody, this is a quick video to help you out if you have a Bosch washing machine and you're getting an E14 error. What is it and how to get rid of it? So the E14 error is the machine is sensing that there's too much water in the machine. And you may notice that this error may be accompanied with the drain pump just running continuously. So this could be one of two things. This could be, as you might expect, there'd be too much water getting in that's not supposed to, that the pump then needs to work to try to pump out, pump out, pump out. Or it could be some kind of sensor switch or some kind of sensor. So this should be pretty easy to figure out in the sense that if the pump continues to turn and it continues to pump water out, that means that water is getting in that's not supposed to, and that's why you're getting this error. And so you're going to need to check the inlet valves and make sure where is the water coming into the machine where it's not supposed to. If you're getting this error and you can see that there's not too much water in it, then you have a sensor issue. You're going to need to replace one of the sensors in order to get it to stop sensing that there's too much water in it, even though there's not. So either way, when you get this, the pump is going to be pumping. So you're going to need to unplug it and try to figure out what's going on. So hope this video helped you. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.